Red one, please.
What would you like me to do?
Get the red fuel tank.
Get in the red fuel tank. So this is the fun and games that nobody really talks about. Is all the... Oh, it's empty? I thought it was heavy. Is all the cleaning up and sorting and crap and repacking you got to do.
Guys, welcome back to Flatbreak Adventures. Today we're at Central Station. This is day 4 of our Fraser Island holiday, and so far it's been amazing. We've been to the lakes, Birrabeen, Boomagin on the second day. Yesterday we spent most of it at Lake Mackenzie. It was absolutely amazing. And Sherry and I went down to Ungara, had a bit of a look down around there, got some solar power into the battery, made a couple of phone calls out to make, and then headed back here. So we're all packed up, ready to head off. We're going back to Eurong because our fridge has died, so we need to buy ice. So Eurong for ice and water, then the Maheno. So can't wait. Anyway, stick around, enjoy what we get up to.
I just adore trees, and driving through this area has just made me so happy. And there's some amazing big trees. Yeah, I know. Look at the babies. Oh, they're gorgeous. Oh, they're stunning. So Jimmy, what's happening? That's diesel.
Oh shit, I'm about to inflict pain on my wallet.
Luckily I watched. Well, you can't put diesel in, can you?
No. So here we go. $3.10 a litre.
Part of the budget. Make sure you budget for it next time.
Good everywhere. can bypass up that way.
Wait for Mal up here.
I'm going to bypass inland, mate. I'm not going through salt water.
Cool. Something different.
Yep.
Someone's in trouble.
They've been speeding on the beach.
That's not embarrassing. That's a cool gig. Police officer on Fraser. Well, maybe that other guy's in really bad. He's gonna get picked up.
Yeah.
Oh, it's an ambulance.
Amber.
Oh. It's alright, got this one. That was nice. Refreshing. It's working on yours.
Keep Sherry quiet if I keep spraying her with water.
Wondering what you were doing.
Oops, no. Obviously doesn't. What'd she say? He say, hold on.
Got in trouble because I didn't turn the camera on in the car, so let me just do a U-turn.
You going back through it?
Do it again.
Yes, because he's in trouble now.
Oh, Sherry wants to drive through it too.
No, I want you to do it. I want to get better video. I want to get better video of you doing it. I want to get up nice and close. Fraser Island is ridiculous. It's so much fun. That's Eli Creek behind us. We just drove past, then went back and drove again. Oh man, I lost the driver's seat. I was only in it for like 30 seconds.
Well, hope you liked today's video, guys. Please give me a big like if you did. Subscribe so you get notified with the next one. Remember to click that bell, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.